Hello. This video is being made for a target audience of Mrs. Simulator, but I feel it may prove useful to the rest of you, and also I need to put something out for the next video that gets me credible death threats comes out on Friday. So I'm always getting in trouble for leaving the fridge door open for too long while deciding what to remove from the fridge. Letting all the cold air out, or whatever. But guess what? That's really not that big of a deal. The amount of energy that it takes to cool all of the air in the fridge back down to cold is less than the amount that it would take to maintain coldiostasis if you placed a single hard-boiled egg into the fridge. And I've never gotten scolded for putting a hard-boiled egg in the fridge, so what gives? I will be providing a demonstration of this shortly, but first let me explain why. The reason for this allegedly counterintuitive fact is something called specific heat capacity, aka why in medieval times they used to pour boiling oil on people rather than just boiling water.
Oh damn, like as part of the show? Or like if they didn't tip, or what?
So what does this mean? It means we're going to have to consult the math whiteboard. I've got a calculator here also. Alright, so this fridge has an interior volume of 22 cubic feet. Let's write that down. Alright, let's immediately convert that to metric so that the Europeans and annoying Americans in the comments stop typing. That will be 0.623 cubic meters. Alright, now we're just interested in the fridge section, so let's multiply that number by roughly 2/3. Alright, that gives 0.412 cubic meters. I'll even grant you that this is the most generous case scenario, which is a completely empty fridge, because it would be way more work to account for the fridge partially being full of cold food already. Alright, so the specific heat capacity of air is 1 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Celsius. The density of air is 1.2 kilograms per cubic meter, so the specific heat capacity of air per unit volume is 1.2 kilojoules per cubic meter per degree Celsius. Alright, you with me so far? So it's summer right now, so let's say that the room temperature is 22 C. It's probably hotter than that, but I'm just doing this to make the math convenient. We gotta get this air down to fridge temperature, so let's say 2 C. So that's a total of like a 20 Celsius change. So, alright, we've got all of our bits right here. So what we're going to do is we are going to plug the volume of air in the fridge, which is 0.412 cubic meters, into the whole equation, and let's do that real quick. Alrighty, so this cancels, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels. This gets multiplied by that, and this is the amount of this number. Alright, now it is egg time. Specific heat capacity of an egg is 3.32 kilojoules per kilogram per degree Celsius. Also, I've decided I'm not going to try to write on a whiteboard and read off the teleprompter simultaneously. That was a mess. Weight of an average egg is 58 grams. Let's see how much this egg weighs. I did the math in advance for a 58 gram egg. Also, like, this isn't even turned on. I don't know why I was trying to... Anyways, I'll just describe it and then add B-roll with me writing on the whiteboard. Let's say this egg is moderately still hot from being hard-boiled, approximately 55 degrees Celsius, or 140-ish Fahrenheit. That's a delta of 53 C. Plug everything in, you get 10.21 kilojoules of egg energy. Let's just do this in person now. Okay, so here is the methodology we're going to use. I have been letting this get nice and room temperature for like the last 5 minutes or so. We've got a temperature probe right here. I'm going to, dangle the temperature probe in the interior of the fridge, not touching anything. I'm going to close the fridge door, see how quick it takes to go back to the standard fridge temperature, and record that, and then do the same, but after it's already cold again, with an egg. That's not touching anything. And... okay, update on the demonstration. I think I broke the temperature probe because I do not believe the interior of my fridge is 200 degrees and rising. And I broke the prop egg.